Hi everyone, this is the second lesson about contractions and phrasal verbs. Let's start with something else for now, okay? This is called a shirt, okay? This is a shirt. These are collars, shirt. These are collars, okay? These are buttons, 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 okay? When you take the buttons out, it's called unbutton your shirt, okay? Unbutton your shirt, okay? These are sleeves, 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 okay? When you roll up your sleeves, roll up your sleeves, unbutton your shirt, button your shirt and button your shirt, roll up your sleeves, roll up your sleeves, roll down your sleeves. So shirt, sleeves, collars, buttons, unbutton, roll up your sleeves, roll down your sleeves. Okay, so let's start now with our lesson. Okay, wait a sec, wait a sec. They say it when we mean by wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. Even the D, they don't pronounce it in English. Second, second, they pronounce it second. Wait a sec, wait a sec. Okay, they say wait a sec. OJ, OJ. They mean by that orange juice. Give me an OJ, orange juice. Okay? So the contraction for orange juice is OJ. ID, ID is identification, which is either your national ID or your passport or your driver's license. Those call them ID. When the police stops you, they say, give me your ID. ID هذا هو identification card, okay? COD, COD هو it is cash on delivery. Cash on delivery. They don't say cash on delivery. They always say COD. COD. PO. PO. They mean by that purchase order. Purchase order. Purchase order. Which is like this. Purchase order. Okay? That's how they write it. Purchase order. They say PO. Next one. Okay, let's see. All these are contractions that we need to know in order to be able to speak in English with American people or people in the streets mostly. Okay, you need to know these kind of things so you can understand the Americans, you can understand TV, movies, when you listen to music, when you read the newspaper, because they use all these kind of things in real life, okay? Not just academic life, okay? So, give me your social. When you say give me your social. So by social, they mean social security number. It is, they just say social, but they mean social security number. And give me your social, give me your social, give me your social, okay? They mean by that, give me your social security number. All this is give me your social security number is this, give me your social, okay? Next one, what's your social, please? Same thing, what's your social? What is your social security number, please? Okay, so they say, what's your social? What's your social? What's your social? Okay, this one is, what's your name, please? What's your name, please? It's not like in Algeria when you say my name is Rashid Bilqasim Saeed or Taus or something like that. What they mean by what's your name is your full name. First name plus last name. That's what they mean by give me your name, please. Or they say, give me your name, please. What's your name, please? Okay? I gonna talk to my dad, mom. I gonna talk to my dad, mom, or mom. Okay? I am going to talk to my father or my mother. So mother, they say mom. Dad, they say dad for father. Okay? I am going to. Okay? So it's black in it. It's black in it. It's black in it. They mean by that it's black, isn't it? It's black, isn't it? Okay? So she used to live in Algiers. She used to live in Algiers. Algiers, the capital of Algeria. She used to live in Algiers. They use she used to live. Okay? So didn't Cha like this book? 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 Okay? What they mean by that is didn't Cha? Or didn't you like this book? Didn't Cha like this book? Didn't Cha like this book? Didn't Cha like this book? Didn't you? Okay? She could have been here yesterday. 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 What he says, she could have been here yesterday. She could have been here yesterday. Okay? I eat a lot burgers. A lot. I eat a lot of burgers. I eat a lot of burgers. I eat a lot of pizza. I eat a lot of chocolate. Okay? I eat a lot. Okay? A lot of burgers, a lot of pizza. They say I eat a lot. I eat a lot of burgers. I eat a lot of chicken. I eat a lot of chicken. Stuff like that. Okay? So now let's go to phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs. They are extremely common in English. Okay? Verb plus particle. That's what phrasal verbs are. Verb plus particle. The particle is either a preposition or an adverb. Okay? That's what phrasal verbs are. Verb plus preposition or an adverb. Okay? Or sometimes they have two particles, meaning verb plus two particles. Like here, for example, get on with. Get on with. This is a phrasal verb. Get on with. Or another one that verb plus two particles, we have look forward to. Look forward to. Look forward to. Okay? So, some of them have many different meanings. Phrasal verbs have many different meanings. One of them can have 10, 15 meanings. Only one phrasal verb. Okay? So, this one here, for example. Okay? Pick something up from the floor. Something is in the floor. Pick up something from the floor. Pick up that thing from the floor. This is one meaning. We use the phrasal verb pick up. Pick up something from the floor. Next one. Same thing. Pick up. Pick up language or habit. Meaning here, you learned language or you learned a new habit, whether it's good habit or bad habit or something. Learning that habit or learning that language called pick up the language or pick up the habit, which is completely different than picking something from the floor. Okay? So this is another meaning for the phrasal verb pick up. Another meaning. The weather can pick up, which means the weather is nice right now, but it can change really fast. Okay? It could be really windy, or it could be really snowy or rainy or whatever. So it says the weather can pick up. Okay? Pick up, which means can change rapidly, quickly. Okay? You can pick up a bargain. You can pick up a bargain, which means when you go somewhere to bargain store or supermarket or a market or whatever, you get something for a really good price. Okay? That's called a bargain. A good price of something is called a bargain. You pick up a bargain. You picked up a bargain, which has nothing to do, as I said, with picking up or weather changing or whatever. This is another meaning of the phrasal verb pick up. A radio can pick up a signal. Okay? Your radio, when it picks up the signal for the radio, okay? That's called also pick up signal, which is another meaning. Pick up signal from your satellite dish. Pick up your signal for your phone, your cell phone. Pick up that signal. It's also, we can use pick up as a phrasal verb to express something else. Okay? So, the economy can pick up. The economy right now, for example, is sluggish. The economy is sluggish, is not good, is not working at all. Okay? It's really bad. Okay? So, the economy can pick up. It can change and be good. Okay? It can make big changes in life or whatever. Okay? That change called, it's jumping from one thing to another, from a bad economy to a good economy. That part is called pick up. The economy can pick up and change to the good way. Okay? Pick up is story where you left it. You are telling a story or whatever, and at some point you stop for any reason, and then you come back and people tell you, could you please pick up where you left off? Okay? Start again where you left the story. You're telling them a story, and then at some point you stop. They will ask you to repeat or continue your story. That word continue called pick up where you left off. Okay? So pick someone up. You are going to Algiers tomorrow in your car or whatever, and you give an appointment to someone to pick him up from his house so he can come with you to Algiers. Okay? Pick up, that someone is also phrasal verb pick up, someone up. Okay? In your car, or I can hold a person and pick that person up. Pick that person up. Okay? This is also used pick up. So pick up in a car, pick someone up is also different meaning of the same phrasal verb. Okay? Pick up the phone. The phone is ringing and somebody asks you to pick up the phone, meaning answer the phone, answer the call. So that's what I'm saying. Here we have 10 meanings of the same phrasal verb. It's called pick up. This is just one of them, which has 10 meanings. That's why I was saying you need to know contractions plus phrasal verbs if you would like to speak English, real English, in the streets, okay, of any country that speaks English, okay? That's why most people have serious problem in English, because you don't know phrasal verbs and contractions. When you know phrasal verbs has one verb and, as we said, two particles, sometimes one particle. In order for you to understand it, you will need to know the verb, the meaning of the verb, this is one meaning, and then the meaning of the particle, this is another meaning, okay? And then the meaning of the verb with the particle, which is the third meaning, okay? So two words can have three different meanings, and that's how you learn English. And that phrasal verb also that has a verb and a particle can have 10, 15, 20 different meanings. It depends when where you put it in a sentence, what context you put it in. So learning all these things can help you improve significantly your English. Okay, let's say for example the word pick by itself. The word pick by itself. Okay, pick. Pick, we can use it when we choose something. Okay, I have those 3 markers and I ask you, which one do you pick? Which one do you want to pick? Pick someone up, please. Which means I'm asking you to choose between those 3 markers. Which one do you want? This is called pick one up. Okay? This is choosing. Next one, pull fruit. Pull fruit from a tree. It's picking the fruit from the tree. Okay? Which has nothing to do with choosing between the markers. Okay? Second, pick something up from the floor. Something is falling on the floor. You pick it up. Pick that something up. It's also using the word or the verb pick. Okay? Pick on someone. You are giving a hard time to a kid or someone, your friend or whatever, giving him hard time. Okay? Joking with him basically. Or bullying him. Okay? That's called also picking on someone. Okay? That's different meaning also. Okay? Pickpocket. Pickpocket. They call them pickpocket. The people that steal from your pocket or whatever, they call them pickpocket. You find them mostly in buses, bus stations, and train stations and stuff like that. Those are the people that pick your pocket. They steal from you. They call them pickpocket. They steal from you. Okay? Take your pick. Take your pick. It's the same thing like, well, I have 3 different things or 4 different things happening at the same time or whatever. I will tell you like, take your pick. Choose anyone. Choose this one or that one or whatever. Called take your pick. Okay? Though this is just one phrasal verb called pick up. Okay? So if you look at the dictionary and see what the word pick means, as like 10 different uses or whatever. Up, the word up itself has also like 10 different meanings. When you put them together, pick up has also 10 different meanings. That's why I said if you want to improve your English, please concentrate on phrasal verbs. They are extremely important and extremely useful and helpful in many situations, and they will help you especially understand, as I said, the newspaper, understand the speeches on TV, understand the movies on TV, understand the songs, okay? And will help you talk to the American people in the streets or whatever, because that's what they use on a daily basis. Phrasal verbs. There is no sentence in English that doesn't have phrasal verb. And that's why you need to study them and study them really hard and learn them and learn their meanings. Okay? As usual, practice. That makes perfect. Okay? Please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. So this way you will get notified with my new videos and stuff like that. And if you have any comments, please put them down below. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. And see you next time with a new lesson about contractions and phrasal verbs. Contractions and phrasal verbs. Thank you very much.